Hi, this is Mike, and yeah, I think I got my count wrong. Sorry about that. Wave 2 actually ended over here. Yeah, oops, my bad. So I think the count in general needs to be spoken for here. I made a mistake with this area here. Um, I think it was a zigzag in the end, and I think we had an A, B, C, D, E, and then we got this last zigzag up. So I think I screwed that up. But we did make a double top and then price reverse down. I don't think it's coming back. Um, the double top thing is so exact. If you go have a look, you can see it never went above it. I just love it when you see those patterns. They just double top, like just so perfect. It's like, Jesus, how did you remember that level back there? Like, you've got such a good memory of the market. So I think what happened here is something that I presumed at one point, but didn't really take too much importance to it. Probably should have now that I think about it. Is this being a one zigzag up here, this being the two. Do I even have a two? Where the hell's my two? Oh, two's down here. This being a two, this being a three zigzag, right? And the four being up here, up here. That's what that five wave move was. There's always a reason for five wave moves. Okay. I just happened to get it wrong. Shit, my bad. But I did say short from the high. Okay, I got that part right, I think. Right, we haven't confirmed yet, but we'll probably confirm in a couple of minutes because this thing's moving like I've never seen anything move before. Jesus. But anyway, like I suppose at the end of the day, getting that wrong wasn't the end of the world, right? It would have been worse if it would have gone up. Yeah. So B, C, D, E here. That's the one. Right there. So yeah, look, that was pretty action packed. I must say I was pretty entertained. It was pretty exciting, thrilling. Uh was it emotion? Yeah, it was because I was playing Master of Puppets, like The Big Short. I love that movie. Yeah, that was pretty cool. So, but yeah, that was a zigzag pattern in the end up the top here, that little move there. I was thinking, what is this pattern? It's looking weird. Jesus Christ, oh my God, it's going to go up again to touch the top. I thought, this is ridiculous. Why is it going to all these lengths just to double top? We could have used double top back here. We have to double top all the way there, make all this big deal, get a lot of people bullish and angry and now probably sad. I don't know. I don't know. Markets, they bloody do this stuff. I don't know how to, I don't know how to explain it to you. Like, it's just this crazy world we live in. But yeah, in the end, I think that was the count, and my support, my little resistance lines there disappear now because they don't mean anything. So I suppose, uh, well, we don't actually have any level for confirmation now because we have a complete wave two and wave three price action. So for me now, that's just a given. Like, can this go any lower? Okay, yeah, we could keep breaking lows. Actually, we still haven't broken. Of course, we have confirmation. That line that I told you from the beginning, right? The start of wave E, that was wave E. That entire bunch of nonsense was wave E. Amazing. Like, I thought it was crazy enough the way it was, but no, I had to get crazier. I'm sorry you had to witness that. That was absolute insanity, but exciting and interesting and all that stuff too. So, whatever. And this line, by the way, I drew that in earlier. It's basically just using the previous wave D because it was so big. I thought, why not use the end of wave three? What was it again? How did I draw that? Oh yeah, end of wave three, and actually, it doesn't mean anything. That's actually not important. Never mind. So yeah, that's my story of wave two. That was a crazy story. I'm sure that will be remaining fun for a while. So wave 3 price action now in progress. It's looking sharp like that. So that's usually what wave 3s look like when they start off. Hey, they look a bit sharp. They look a bit crazy. But yeah. So in the end, right, I suppose another thing I can point out, little zigzag wave 1, right? How does that compare to the zigzag we saw at the highs? What the hell? Man, that's tiny. Look at that. I mean, surely I must have got something wrong here. No, I definitely got something wrong here. Like if that was it there, maybe, like maybe that 3 3. Nah, wait, hang on, let me check this out. A, B, C, D. Nah, it really was that small. I suppose it couldn't really be anything else because the amount of room that it had left to create that pattern, it really wasn't much room, to be honest. So it would have looked a bit more normal if wave E moved a bit lower, but then that would have made it too obvious, right? It would have made it too obvious that I don't know. Look, it doesn't matter, right? At the end of the day, it didn't make a new high. It double topped, like perfect on the line, and it's reversing down. So look, hopefully you've enjoyed this analysis and my screw ups with this extremely crazy wave E. Like I really do encourage you to learn the waves. It's fun, it's exciting. You have something to lean on instead of all this other types of ridiculous stuff that goes on in analysis world, right? All these little things on the chart. They're really they're nice. They're beautiful. They're nice there to have, but really don't use them. Price is the best indicator. I go to sleep thinking that. That's my prayer. Amen. Hopefully you found this update interesting and revealing and informative. Thanks for watching.